Okay, up, up, up. All right. You ready? All right. Dork. Come on, up, up, up. Okay. All right. Just be careful if you're gonna do that crap. You gotta make sure there's a pillow behind you. Up, 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 up. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Uh-oh. What are you doing? Standing up here? Yeah. Almost. Almost. No, 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 no. There's not a pillow behind you. Okay, do it now. Do it now. Good girl. Up, up. Let's do it again. All right. Just make sure there's a fucking pillow behind you. Shit. Wow. Crawling, sitting up, grabbing stuff, flipping around. Hey. You too. Where are you going? What's that ugly thing? What the hell is that, huh? Everything's edible. Everything. Bye-bye, Ava. Yeah, you kids are all hypnotized by this freaking movie.